Are you wondering if Jujutsu Kaisen is available on YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can stream this popular anime series. If you're a fan of Jujutsu Kaisen, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include Jujutsu Kaisen as part of its lineup. While YouTube TV offers a variety of entertainment channels, it doesn't have dedicated anime streaming options like Crunchyroll or Funimation, which are the primary platforms for Jujutsu Kaisen. However, some networks on YouTube TV, like Adult Swim, part of Cartoon Network, occasionally air anime shows, but availability depends on licensing and scheduling. If you're looking to watch Jujutsu Kaisen, your best bet is to subscribe to a service like Crunchyroll, Hulu, or Netflix, which may offer the series depending on your region. If this video helped you understand where to find Jujutsu Kaisen, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.